Hi beautiful friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to delete apps on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu is where you control most of your device features such as connections, apps, privacy, security, notifications, and battery management. It's basically the control center for your phone. Once you are inside the Settings menu, scroll down and see the Apps option, sometimes called Applications. Tap on it to open the full list of apps installed on your device. Here you will see all apps including system apps, downloaded apps, and apps running in the background. Next, scroll and find the app that you want to delete. When you locate it, tap on the app name to open the app info page. This page shows useful details such as storage usage, mobile data usage, permissions, notifications, and battery consumption. At the top or bottom of this page, you will see the Uninstall button. Tap on Uninstall, then tap OK. The app will immediately be removed from your phone, freeing up storage space and possibly improving performance. If the app came pre-installed on your device, the uninstall option might not appear. In that case, you will see a disable button instead. Tap disable, then confirm. This will stop the app from running and remove it from your app screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tips.